Hi students, today we are going to discuss about resources which is in the 6th standard social science geography part lesson 1 resources. Okay, let us move to the topics. Today we are going to discuss the learning objectives, to introduce the meaning of resources. Second, to fertilize with the different types of resources. Then, to understand the need for conservation of resources, and to understand the meaning of economic activities. These are the topics we are going to discuss. Okay, just we are going to see the Tirukkural. This is related to the resources. Okay. கேடறியா கெட்ட இடத்தும் வளங்குன்றா நாடென்ப நாட்டின் தலை. The meaning, எந்த வகையிலும் கெடுதலை அறியாமல், அதாவது எந்த விதத்திலும் யாருக்கும் கெடுதல் கொடுக்காம, ஒருவேளை கெடுதல் ஏற்படினும் அதனை சீர் செய்யும் அளவிற்கு வளங்குன்றா நிலையில் உள்ள நாடுதான் நாடுகளிலே தலை சிறந்ததாகும். You can think about this குறள். Pathway of this lesson focuses on the meaning, classification of resources and conservation of resources for sustainable living. It also provides an insight to the various economic activities, and in particular it deals with the interrelation between the nature and human activities. So this is only we are going to discuss. Resources is anything that fulfills human needs. Yes, resources is anything that fulfills human needs, whatever the needs: air, water, food, living area, everything. When anything is of some use, it becomes valuable. When anything, sometimes it becomes valuable. All resources have value. The value can be either commercial or non-commercial. Commercial resources have a great economic value. Example, petroleum. The non-commercial resources are very abundant in availability. Example, air. Yes, my dear students, resources are classified into two types. I have told you, one is commercial, another one is non-commercial resources. The commercial resources means nothing but commercial, everything we can get with the money. That is called commercial resources. That is only example, petroleum. Petroleum we are getting from the shop. And another one is non-commercial resources, air. Air is necessary. Example, I have given air. We have a lot of the examples. So let us take the air. Okay, air. non-commercial resources. Why? Because of air we can get from the nature, trees, forest, everything is the natural resources. So nature only giving these opportunities to breathe us. So every day, every moment, every seconds we are breathing. So this is also a non-commercial resources. Children, do you know one thing? Anything becomes a resource only when its use is discovered. The needs of human beings are ever changing. According to the ever changing needs, resources keep changing. Time and technology are two important factors that determine whether a substance is a resource or not. For example, sun's energy to generate electricity was made possible after the invention of solar panels. This is a technology. Yes, my dear students, in our nature has given lot of the resources. When the human have get the idea from this only, this is using for usable things. So here, and the residing of coal and petrol was in need of an inexhaustible resources because time because time. So this is very important points, my dear students. Okay, thank you.